Excuse me, where do I find Dr. Annie Blue?
Oh, Annie.
I brought you lunch. You look busy today.
John, thank you so much. Yes, it's been a long morning.
I can imagine. What have you been doing?
I've been seeing patients and checking their symptoms as usual.
Wow, that must take a lot of energy.
It does, but I enjoy helping people.
Really? You still manage to smile after all that?
Yes, I like seeing patients feel safe and better.
That's amazing. I admire your dedication.
Thanks, it means a lot to hear that.
So, do you start early every day?
Usually 7 a.m., sometimes even earlier.
Wow. And you finished late too, right?
Around 6 p.m., occasionally later if there are emergencies.
That sounds exhausting. Keep up the good work.
Thanks.
You are so strong. How do you handle stressful days?
I sometimes take short breaks, about 10 to 15 minutes when there are not many patients.
That's smart. You really care about your own health too.
Yes, it helps me stay focused and calm.
Do you enjoy your routine despite the stress?
Yes, even though it's tiring, it's very rewarding.
I can see why you chose this job.
Yes, I wanted to help people and make a difference.
That's inspiring. You really make the world better.
Thank you. Every patient's smile makes me happy.
What's your favorite part of the job?
Definitely helping patients understand their health and feel cared for.
Any advice for someone starting as a doctor?
Be patient, keep learning, and care genuinely.
That's solid advice. I can see why you love your job.
Thanks. It's challenging but very fulfilling.
Hi, Lisa. I have something to do in this building, and I guess I can pay you a visit. How are things today?
Hey, Mark. Oh, yes, so many things to do.
Really? What do you do at the office here?
I answer emails, join meetings, talk to clients, and write reports.
Every day?
Yes, and sometimes there are urgent tasks, sometimes client calls come at the same time.
Oh, no. How do you handle that?
I just smile. I cannot show the clients how stressed I am, but inside, I panic.
That sounds stressful.
It is, but don't worry. There are many things in the office to help me relax.
Things? What things?
Shh. Can you see the girl who is secretly eating cake in the corner?
Oh my gosh. How can you even notice that?
Yes. Gossips make the day lighter.
You are so mischievous, Lisa. So, what is hard in your job?
Deadlines. They come too fast. Always too fast.
Totally understandable.
Yes, I even dream of reports at night.
Why did you choose office work then?
Well, to be honest, it's stable. I love teamwork.
Teamwork sounds fun with gossip, too.
Exactly. We share tasks and funny stories.
What's your favorite part of the job?
Solving problems together and sharing the win.
That sounds exciting. Do you celebrate after projects?
Yes. Sometimes we will hang out after work. Sometimes we can order a cake or pizza to eat here.
How do you stay productive as an office worker?
An office worker will have a lot of small tasks to do. So make a task list and take short breaks.
Breaks for coffee and more gossip.
Haha, you got me. But that is true exactly. Coffee talk keeps me awake.
Coffee talks are sure more interesting than email talks.
Oh, don't you know? Behind the emails is real drama.
Drama? Tell me.
Sure, I always have stories ready. But after work, shall we? I need to finish my report first.
Sure. See you later.
Hi, Mia. 1 cheeseburger as usual, please.
Hey, Tom. Nice to see you. Hang on a second. Full tables and many orders today.
I can wait. Take your time. What are you doing, though?
As per usual, I take orders, serve food, and clean tables.
Wow, that sounds like nonstop action.
It is. I walk all day long.
Do your feet hurt sometimes?
Yes, but a good pair of shoes helps a lot.
Is it hard to deal with customers?
Most of the customers are very nice to me. Sometimes there are rude people, but I try to stay polite.
What's the best part of your job?
The salary, of course. Just kidding. Friendly customers like you always make my day.
Really? Don't you feel tired when you have to work and talk?
Not at all. I like chatting. Many cute customers come often and are basically my friends now.
That's so cute. You make friends every day.
Yes, sometimes they even share life stories.
Really? Like what stories?
One man told me about how he tried to prepare a birthday party for his old dog.
Oh, that's so cute.
Yes, I almost cried from happiness. Then I gave his dog a chicken nugget.
You must be loved by many customers. Any advice for new waiters?
Be patient and always smile.
Smile, even when angry inside.
Yes, a smile is magic for service.
Ah, that's clever. I like that. You make waitress life sound so lively.
I mean, it is lively. It's hard, but also eventful.
I admire your energy, Mia.
Thanks, Tom. Talking to you gives me energy.
Hi, is this Mrs. Emma Brown's class?
Yes, come in. Oh, my sweet husband Ron. I thought you were one of the students' parents.
I come to pick you up. The class is finished now, right?
Yes, Ben, the children went home already.
You look tired, but also happy.
Yes, teaching is hard but meaningful.
What do you do every day at school?
I teach lessons, answer questions, grade papers, and take care of the students.
That sounds like a lot of work.
Yes, but I enjoy being with them.
Do they ask you many questions?
Yes, sometimes even about life, not only lessons.
Really? They must trust you really much.
Yes, they share their small worries with me.
What's the hardest part of teaching?
There are many hard parts, but I guess keeping students focused can be difficult.
Do you get upset sometimes?
Yes, sometimes they do not listen to me, but I try to stay calm.
I think you have great patience.
Thank you. I love the kids very much, so I always try my best to be patient with them.
Why did you become a teacher?
Well, ever since I was a kid, I have loved helping younger kids learn and grow.
That is a beautiful reason.
Yes, I always feel proud to guide them. The children give me the strength to work every day.
Any advice for new teachers?
Be patient and enjoy teaching every day. If you adore the kids will love you too.
I admire you, Emma. My wife is doing amazing work.
Thank you, Ben. Your support helps me a lot.
I'll always support you, my love.
I'm so lucky to have you. Now, let's go home.
Yes, let's go together.
Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found the conversations helpful. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons. This is your homework. Please comment below and tell us, what's your job? Do you like your job? Have a nice day, and we'll see you in the next video.